Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2015 Dodge Journey SE Canadian Tour Package. Coming in this nice dark gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.4-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities. We do get a roof spoiler with a rear wiper, mud flaps on the rear and front, some nice black trim along this vehicle, heated door mirrors with that lovely Dodge grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You get tons of hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You get that lovely 12-volt cargo cubby on the side here and tons of storage underneath. And you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, adjustable rear seat so you can collapse it for more space. Some storage in the back, floor mats, carpet interior with a 12-volt. You, of course, can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Lights, parking brake, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 88,785 kilometers. We get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, cruise control, back, toggle-free screen, modes and volumes behind the steering wheel where you can go through vehicle speed, trip info, tire pressure, vehicle info again, messages, turn off menu, trip info, all that jazz. You got your gear select, cup holders and storage with a 12-volt. You got your center console as well with more storage underneath and another 12-volt. Dual climbing up front with your CD, hazards, traction, engine start stop, storage, more storage below. And your infotainment system that is touchscreen, so you do get your climate controls, your radio with AM, FM, information, all that jazz, CD player, climate control settings for your vehicle, more, such as your temperature and time, and you can turn your screen on or off. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG17729A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.